Hello, in today's video I'm gonna be reviewing this Star Wars Lego set, Obi Wan Kenobi's Jedi Starfighter. It's a very nice build and let's get into it. Comes with 2 minifigures. Got Obi Wan. His face has got 2 sides to it. Nice minifigure. Sits in the Starfighter really well. Fits perfectly. And then we've got Torn Wee, the Camino clone. Awesome figure as well. If you look at the feet, it's a really unique set. Like, you don't really get feet like that usually. It's unique. And the third minifigure you get in the set, actually his head is here. Just spins around there and there, but if we take it off, if we take that off there, we open this up here, you see. The body for the droid actually sits here. So just pull his head out. And that's him. Pretty nice droid. Getting a nice collection of droids now. A few different colours. But yeah. Take his head back off now. Put it back on the set. And he just goes there. Fits really nicely, clicks in. That goes straight back on there. The set itself comes with quite a few stickers, as you can see. Really easy to apply, like nothing major. Got a sticker there, got one there, another one there, 3 there. Quite a few stickers, a few on the back of the build near the wings. Yeah, if I spin it round, see it's got them on the back on this side. If you look at the Starfighter from underneath, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look the best from underneath, but you've got a little slot here for your lightsaber, which is pretty nice. I like the engines at the back, they're absolutely bad boy. Really thick, 2 thick engines. And now the set itself comes with this and this to keep it stood up. So it does come with its own little stand, and he's got his little dish there. But that's the set itself. It's got 2 stud shooters. Really nice build. And it's not too dear, it's only 30 quid. For what it is, it's really big. It's quite a big set. If I put Grogu next to him for size comparison, it's quite a big ship. Decent little ship for your collection. It fits that Star Wars Episode 3 colour theme with a red and white. Really nice. Thanks for watching. This is my first Lego review, so I would appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment and leave a like. Thanks for watching.